Are you sure this is okay?
You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay?
All right.
Alright, what's up there, guys? Didn't really feel very good today, so I decided to take on a few projects. One of those is I'm going to remove that case here pretty soon, and I'm going to repaint that. I did repaint the seat. I got to remove this sticker, remove the stickers from that side, clean these panels, painted the floorboards, and some of my switches didn't work. If you guys remember, all these switches were black. I just got done replacing all these switches and doing the wiring for them, cleaning all that up again for a second time. Topped off my brake fluid canister because this is actually has a master cylinder reservoir on it, and yeah, it has ABS, so it's got anti-lock brake system. Anyways, just finished putting all this back together, so now I gotta reroute some of these wires, put that back up there, and start shoving all this back together. You know, somebody asked me why my scooter runs like a dirt bike now and how it's so powerful, and as you can see, I've really been modifying the crap out of this thing. There's no real other way to put this. This is running, it started off a 44mm carb, now it's all the way up to a 57, and I want to say it's running a 130. Oh my god, I don't even remember what my jetting is now. I'd have to go back in there. I got my main jet and my pilot jet are two very different jets. A standard would be somewhere just over 100. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I've been tuning the jets on this and getting this pretty solid. But as you can tell, I have a pod filter, a pit bike pod filter on here now. So it's the only thing working good that this setup can use. So that's where we're at. Bah, you guys know I don't take too much time. Still didn't get to painting. I don't know if it's gonna rain or it's not. This is Florida, dude. Let's face facts. I have no idea what's going on. So I'm just gonna wait. Probably hammer it out tomorrow. I know the lawn crew is gonna be here, but that looks a lot better. They were all black to start off with. Gives you guys a little color, something a little different to see on the handlebars. It also was something I needed, made it easier to see what I was trying to do while riding. So now I just need to find that little plastic piece. When I got this was yellowed out really bad, so I'm going to replace that little plastic piece that was in there so I can see the brake fluid reservoir. And then I'm missing a chunk here. I don't think I'm really going to worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. It's just from here to here, but it's frustrating. I notice it. And that side piece is also, I have the side piece, but being broken, I can't. It's very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. So, anyways, she's back together. All right. Painting that case today, like I said, doing a little belt inspection here. Make sure everything's working good. The new clutch I put on there is working good. The new variator's working good. I can see where my ride lines are all the way at the top, which is perfect. It's exactly where the belt wear lines need to be at. So everything in here is functioning properly, which is a plus. There's my bolt guide, so I know I never get them wrong. I just got done, you see the sanding pads. I just got done sanding down this case, long case, and now we're gonna give it a paint here. Gotta wash it off real quick. It's pretty gross since I gotta dry it off, get all the grime off it. Just took it out back and washed it, so now we're gonna paint it. Let's have some fun. Alright, so I just pulled the spark plug, bought a new spark plug. Put it in there 200 miles ago after we tuned it the first time, and this spark plug is actually, I know you guys can't see it very well, but it's actually in really good condition. I just put it up to a spark plug chart, and it says it's between best and good, which is very acceptable. It means it's not overtuned or undertuned. It's pretty much riding exactly where it needs to be. So that's a plus. It's not running lean, it's not running rich, it's like right where it needs to be, which is perfect. Currently have this carb pulled. I have 5 carburetors for the scooter. Each one I'll be playing with the jets on, as you can see. Oops, oh, there goes that main jet. Pilot jets right here, main jets right here. I'm testing different jet sizes, figure out which jets I want to put on this one, because my scooter allows me to quick swap in and out of parts really easily. It's always good to have a backup carburetor with the exact same setup as the first one in case it starts having problems. You can yank it, immediately throw this one on there, and you know the tune's going to be pretty much identical across the board. So that's what I'm doing with this one. Or this is, like I said, also another new carburetor. It's getting the same exact jets that are in my other one here. And then I'm going to go down and get some gear oil, because I don't think the gear oil ever's been changed in this scooter, and we're going to go ahead and change the gear oil. So, fun day. Spark plug's back in. As you can see, painted it black. Looks pretty good. Much heavier with the way it looks now than it was. It could probably use another paint job, but later on down the road, at least things are color matching now, so makes a lot more sense. And I love my switches. I love them. Okay, let's go get some food for the guinea pig, and I need to get some oil. I just picked up a little padlock. I need to get another one for right here. And then we're good to go, man. We are good to go. So let's change that gear oil. Something tells me it has never been changed and it needs to be done. So let's get her done. Oh, buddy. Taking a little ride here. Nice. Cruising real good today. I love that new car. It just makes so much noise when you give her gas. She lets you know that she wants to go when you give her throttle. That pod filter makes a nice growl noise, but man, this thing just grabs and goes. It is perfectly running now, and I like the switches. I like the overlay of the switches. The switches came out great. I'm really happy with that that look of the switches. But now I need to get some drinks, because I hate rolling around without some kind of drink or beverage. You know, I got these cup holders. I need to start using the damn things. So, got my phone, got my wallet. We're good to go. Most of these are too high. They don't have in much of the way, but I mean, this will work. It'll work. Kind of really wanted synthetic, but this will work. This is GL5. I really need GL3. GL4. I'll take it if I have to, but there's GL4. GL4 and 5. Well, I mean, it'll work. It'll be a little heavy for what I need, but it should work. We'll just change it more often. Maybe not. Oh, there's my alarm for you. That's just the first part of the alarm. If you let that keep going, it gets really annoying. It's actually pretty awesome how annoying it gets. Maybe I'll keep triggering it for you guys. Should I keep triggering it for you? There we go. So now we got our gear oil in there. We'll chuck this. There. See if I can trigger this thing a couple times for you. Close this up. Pia. No, I just give her a little bend right there. Fits in. Locks up nice. Sides are on. Alright, let's see if I can tick this thing off, huh? Alright, locked. There's once. We'll let that stop for a second, then I'll tamper with it again. There we go. See? Told you. It can get very annoying if you keep tampering with it. Oh boy. A little bit of a windy one today. Jeez. I forgot how bumpy this road is. But we're heading to my buddy Randy's. Yeah, it's turned out to be a hot one, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with it being a hot one. But you can hear a lot of extra wind getting into my helmet for some reason. So I'm going to need to address that when I get an opportunity. Ooh, we got an undercover? Yep, we got an undercover. Just troll, Dan. Just keep her moving, bro. I see you, see me, see you. Huh? Huh?
This might be kind of an awkward ride back with all this bedding in between my legs, but you know what? It'll work. Just be able to put my feet up here. See, I can box it in. It'll only be awkward when I stop. People will be like, what is he guarding on there? Yeah, what can I say? Guinea pig's mad at me because it's time to change the cage, and I've been putting it off, and she's just a little annoyed with me, so let's get this stuff home. Productive day so far. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's not too bad. My legs hold it nice and tight. Whee! Alright, where are we at here? Oh, these scooters are so much fun. Get an overpowered one, or build one like me, and they're a lot of fun. Stock these things are kind of fun, but overpowered, a lot of fun. See what I mean? Overpowered, they're a lot of fun, man. Traffic can't understand how you can keep up with them. I find it really amusing, honestly. I don't even have to try hard. Ooh. That officer's on the move. Sheriff's Department. Here's my favorite guy. He waves at everybody. All right. So they actually have vaccinations across the street from my house today, so that parking lot is just
full of random people getting vaccinated. Fun stuff.